Okay, the second lick. Hi guys, today I've got a real treat for you. I've got two really good licks that you can add to your gospel playing. I've got an extra lick for my gospel pick and post members over there, and guys, I really appreciate you being a member. Also, you're going to get the backing track, you're going to get the tablature for the licks, and for the members you'll get the tablature for the extra lick over there. Okay, now if you're ready to get started, grab your grin, grab your guitar, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to be doing these licks out of the A chord, and they're really simple, but they can be very effective. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting here on the 3rd string, 4th fret. We're going to do a bend on that, full step bend there, and then we're going to go to the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So it's just like that. And then all we're doing is moving up 1 fret, doing the same thing, same bend, and then hitting the 2nd string, 3rd fret there. We're on the 3rd string, 4th fret bend, and then we're going to move up 1 fret to the 3rd string, 6th fret bend, and then the 2nd string, 4th fret, and then we're going to move up 1 more to the 3rd string, 5th fret bend, and then the 2nd string, 5th fret. So it's 3rd string, 7th fret bend, like that. So all we've got is this. Now you can do it with just the pick only if you want to. I use my finger because I just got used to doing that. And I kind of slap up the finger there. So I'll just do it with the pick. Okay, that's lick 1, right? Okay, you got that down? And the way I end that lick, a lot of times though, is when I go, and I'll go back to that 3rd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, and the 4th string, 7th fret there. It's just easy because you're from you're in your F shape here in the A chord, so all it is so that easy right there, like that. And a lot of times when I'm doing this lick, I'll keep that bend going, like kind of like that. Okay. If you feel froggy, you can keep doing that. How's that? Okay, now we're going to go on to the second lick, and what we're going to be doing on that is we're coming up here to the F-shaped D position, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to, on the 3rd string, 12th fret, we're going to do that bend, and then we're going to hit that 2nd string there on the 10th fret. So and then we're going to go back 2 frets. We're going to be in the C here, so it's then back 2 frets to the 3rd string, 10th fret, bend up, and then the 2nd string, 8th fret there. So and you don't have to be in D or C chords when we're playing it leads in A. It don't matter if you're in D or C. This lick works. So even if you're in A, and yeah, and then you're going to end up back here the same way you did on the lick coming down. You're going to end up here on the 3rd string, 7th fret. You're going to do that bend up, and then the 2nd string, 5th fret, and then you can end it the same way we did the other with just the 3rd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, and the 4th string, 5th fret. I mean 4th string, 7th fret there, because you're ending on an A note because we're in A. Just that simple. You can end it any way you want. Sometimes I'll end it with something fancy, but if you wanted to keep it simple, just go like that, right? Like I said, if you want the tab for this lick, and you can also get the backing track over at gospelpickandpost.com. Come on over and be a member. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fit this lick into the song This Little Light of Mine. I like this song because you can jam on it. So here we go. Let's show you how to put that lick in there. second lick.